They had a couple of coffee shops that you could DJ at. Pretty nice ones in a Starbucks type of way, but a little more open, and it was kind of a bakery too. So perhaps they didn't really have any focus. They kind of just did everything pretty well. Jack of all trades type of situation. Didn't really touch those. I remember when they changed their logo, they removed the black lines. It saved them however many, fill in the blank trillion of dollars, whatever, whatever, uh, in printing the color. So now the logo is just green and white. Eventually, it's just going to be one color. That's whatever color they choose. It'll be on any background. But the green, it just might be outlining green only, and the color that fills it will be whatever it's going to be. It's just the design around the ends, they don't connect. The green wouldn't connect, so there'd be a lot of tears, and. But I mean, it'll be, it'll look still flowing and nice. I think it'll be cool, man. Some of it might work, but there'll be some floating pieces that I just wouldn't work. Pretty good stencil though. Yeah, but cutting back on resources, yeah, the use of resources is a good thing. Keep the vibe going, man. Just turn down the music. I can't front though. I really like those vanilla bean scones. That's the way to go. I can dig that. The coffee.